Good morning, Cambridge. This is Keith DeBolt here, and wanted to talk to you a little bit this morning about enriching lives. We recently changed our brand from Cambridge Engineering, more heat, less energy, to Cambridge Air Solutions, enriching lives. And today what I want to do is I want to talk to you about your commitment to excellence, your commitment to lean principles is enriching lives, not only in the workplace where people, it's too hot or it's too cold, or they need better air quality, but your efforts are actually reaching beyond the workplace environment and enriching lives in the community. So if you come on inside, I'll show you how you're doing that. So I want to introduce you to Barney and Nathan Harms. Nathan is with Treehouse of Greater St. Louis. And Nathan, if you could you tell us what you guys do here?
Absolutely. So thank you again to Cambridge and Keith for coming out today. So Treehouse of Greater St. Louis was founded in 1975 as therapeutic horsemanship. So at our facility, we utilize the horse to provide therapy to children, adults, and veterans with disabilities.
Describe what happens during the winter. What are your hours like during the winter?
So we run year-round, and what happens in the winter, and to a lesser degree now in the summer, is that we have a lot of gaps in our therapy programs. So individuals with disabilities tend to have can have greater sensitivity to temperature extremes. So in the winter, we have a lot of people that drop out of programming. So just because it's too cold for them to come, they're staying at home. So that's gaps in therapy. That's not our goal. So our goal is we want them coming each week for about an hour. What can we do to help people receive our services when they need it? And so one of the things we identified is a heating solution for the arena. And Cambridge Engineering at that time, being a leader in that, obviously was a wonderful partner for us. And so Keith came back real quickly and said, here's what you need, here's what we can do. I called Keith out of the blue. I said, hey, do you remember me? Are you still willing to work with us? Because we've got a mechanical contractor that's lined up willing to donate their time, and all the other partners are coming into place. And Keith said, absolutely, we're here for you. So that culture of caring and just that whole company has been behind us for 3 to 4 years. And then when you pick up the phone, they're still there. So that was incredible.
And I can't say enough about our production folks. You guys consistently show how you're at the top of the curve, answering the call and allowing this amazing organization that provides so many benefits to our community to operate longer, to serve more people. So you're truly enriching the lives of the people in our community. So Nathan, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Barney looks like a fine equine specimen. Do I get to take him for a spin?
Absolutely.
I got my boots on, so I think I'm going to take Barney for a little spin.